So imagine you were Santa Claus.
गलती से साइंस लेक्लर्क हैमिल्टन कुछ गलती से बुलवा दिया तुमने, एडिट करवा दिया, तो पता नहीं पगला जानी है जनता। 15,000 मिलियन यूरोस कट चुके हैं वैसे अनमोल, अगर एफआईए देख रहा है ये पॉडकास्ट। टेप देना चाहूंगा हेलमेट मार्को को।
To all my Mexican fans, I still like the tequila. I still like tacos.
The way Lando has taken the championship high on his head.
To the Mexican cartel who are not watching this, I still support Checo.
I don't love Checo. Call me to Mexico, but I'm just.
I like Checo more than Max.
Liam Lawson fans.
Let's come on to the F1 questions. So what is your most controversial F1 opinion? मतलब ऐसे लोगों के पैर के नीचे से जमीन खिसक जाए ऐसी।
छोटे-मोटे फॉलोअर आए हैं हमारे, वो भी ये निकलवाएगी। ये F1 की कॉफी में करंट बन रहा है, करियर बर्बाद करेगी ये लड़की।
But your controversial opinion कुछ तो छोटा-मोटा।
अच्छा, इसको याद है अभी तक? हमने डिबेट नहीं किया था क्या, डिस्कशन अभी तक?
No, let's get into our chat only. So how is your day today? What you eat for lunch?
And what is like, इस सब में नहीं मिलेगा कंटेंट, तो controversial opinion से ही आएगा।
Explosive.
I can start with a very non-risky one. So I really think Esteban Ocon does not deserve the hate he gets, and he's a very, very fast guy.
Yeah, but I
all
think
of them
I-
are fast. If they're in F1, they're all fast.
No,
They
no,
just
no.
have to be faster
No.
than each other.
No, Lance Stroll को तो मैं छोड़ ही देता हूँ. I don't consider him. He's not even fast. I think somebody the other day DM'd me a Lance Stroll reel, and मैं किसी काम में बहुत उलझ गया था, मैं बहुत annoyed था. And I do not want to see like cool edits on Lance Stroll because he does not deserve it. Hate is a strong word and I'm using it. It's Lance Stroll because सीट तबाह कर रहा है, पैसा तो तबाह कर ही रहा है, और भाई तो अगले साल एड्रियन न्यूई की गाड़ी तबाह करने वाला है.
That's
ठीक है,
That
right.
is- बाकी किसी को कुछ
I agree with Omi. That's also valid.
I think मैं controversial तो नहीं, but since you are a Mercedes fan, but 2021 I feel Max deserved to win
Yeah.
the championship
Of
for the
course.
season he had. For the
Right.
season he had, I completely agree कि Abu Dhabi was pure chaotic, but the season Max had, and again like today I was just watching a reel of the British Grand Prix 21, like the crash.
Right,
and,
the start.
Yeah, so see, I actually didn't like how Lewis celebrated that win. It kind of went back, everything kind of messed up, the crash, the celebration, the Abu Dhabi chaos, and eventually Max winning it. So probably like it was like a 51-49 deserving for Max, according to me. So eventually the champion was correct. So this is my take as a Max fan, कह सकते हो.
ये मुझे पनिश किया है क्या ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए? सॉरी. So next question is, two drivers you want to replace with Saif Ali Khan from Speeding Saddles. Like two.
See, I too honestly don't like Ocon and Pierre both.
Anti-French at all.
No, I'm not French.
We.
I just feel it's a new F2 drivers because I'm watching Formula 2 also these days.
Right.
Like Lance Stroll, you said not to say, so I'm not taking his name.
Yeah.
But I feel that Ocon and Pierre can be, they're pretty replaceable. I really like Checo, but I'm a bit disappointed in him. So
Bit?
maybe, yeah. I mean, I'm a very, very big Checo fan, but I don't know, like I'm disappointed in him.
तभी you're just a bit disappointed in him. उनसे
Yeah.
पूछो जो Checo fan नहीं है.
Yeah, because
Same.
Checo is so good, yeah. He was so
Yeah.
good throughout
Was.
till 2023. I don't know what's happened to him just this season. So if he was bad or like consistently, like, ऊपर नीचे in all the seasons, then I would be like, हाँ, remove कर दो. But I think this year only he's not performed that much.
I think
Yeah.
last
So
year
let's see.
Miami के बाद when Max I think came from काफी पीछे से and Checo was ahead of him, so Max won that race.
Yeah,
From
Checo started
there,
that on
the
pole.
downfall started, and Abhi has not been able to recover.
Yeah, it's always the thing with the second Red Bull seat. I mean, that's why Max is known as the teammate killer because he kind of kills the confidence of the other
Yeah.
driver because you cannot get that kind of pace that Max Verstappen
And
has,
they will
and it's his
never-
raw pace.
And also they'll never put an exceptional driver next to him because they don't
Right.
want to do it to him.
I mean top teams में सब अच्छे ही है, so you can't like feel
Yeah,
like कि
at
उस
this
team
point
में कोई
somebody like Checo should leave.
Yeah, Checo, I like. See, again, I am a big Checo fan. I have been because he was like part of that Racing Point team,
Yeah.
like, which was like, eventually earlier Force India. So obviously, I was a Checo fan. But yeah, right now I feel it's the time. See, like with Danny, also I'm a big fan. But I kind of agreed that it was time.
Right.
Okay, so
Same.
I think it is the same scene with Checo. I would put Checo and Gasly, Ocon, like they are in the same bracket, all of them. Like I think I'll say Magnussen also,
वो तो
because
जा ही
how
रहा है ना, वो ये this is
तो वो
the
तो
same
जा ही
answer,
रहा है,
हाँ.
पोटास भी जा ही रहा है.
काफी कम बचते हैं because काफी newbies आते हैं from F2.
Yeah.
अब
Yeah.
गलती से साइंस लेक्लर्क हैमिल्टन कुछ गलती से बुलवा दिया तुमने, एडिट करवा दिया, तो पता नहीं पगला जानी है जनता. तो बस ऐसा यार, because they deserve also. So I don't think with top 3 teams में कोई इस टाइम ऐसा है जो like don't deserve. Like
Yeah.
Russell has been killing it. Like
Yeah.
Mercedes की गाड़ी में कर सकता है, he is doing more than that. Ferrari में दोनों मस्त है, McLaren में दोनों मस्त है. So yeah, I'll put Checo and like any of the departing drivers, like maybe Magnussen or Zhou or someone.
Omi?
Righty. Yeah, I think even I would agree on Checo. Even I was a bit too disappointed with him after the season, so I was like,
Sorry,
nahi, bhai.
collective sorry.
Yeah, I get the sponsorship money that you bring. That's okay. But
Yeah.
sponsorship money से Red Bull नहीं जीतने वाला है. Come on. I really don't think the performance would be coming through because next year the grid would be even closer,
Yeah.
even bunched up. Right now it's just 4 or 5 guys at the top. Next time it will be 7 on the top because Checo is 8.
And
Abhi
Red Bull
bhi
को
seven
और कम
drivers
पैसा
को
मिलेगा. When they finish third in the championship,
हाँ.
they'll get
Right.
even lesser money.
हाँ.
And whatever money they will have, they'll try to make sure कि Max is like fine in that car and सब Max के according. तो जब तक Checo का opinion लेने की बारी आएगी, तब तक पैसा खत्म हो चुका होगा.
But that is
So
true.
I
And
think-
उधर in America, Checo is extremely famous. Like Mexico में
Very.
तो है ही है.
Yeah.
And the
Very.
states bordering Mexico also. वहाँ पे I think last year or probably last to last year, Google search में most searched F1 driver was Sergio Perez, which was a very shocking stat for me. But
Yeah.
it is true, and he brings such a load of money. So
He outnumbers Max Verstappen on the merchandise sales.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
that is true.
Absolutely.
See, it's an entire continent.
Yeah,
like,
exactly. The
Perez actually
population
unites
is
that
South
entire
America.
ये तो
continent.
कुछ महीने हो गए. Lando Norris was called the worst championship contender ever. So उसके बारे में what do you guys have to say about it?
At the start of the season, say even after Miami, there was Imola, there was Spain. You know, those races where Max and Lando, had quite a diff. They were having wheel-to-wheel battle, and genuinely, as a Max fan, I was very happy to see him battling with someone that he calls so dearly as a friend, and someone as a friend very close to you as a driver. They battle out very fiercely. Something like Rosberg and Hamilton.
या फिर friend रह नहीं जाते ना उसके बाद.
Right. That is the thing, and that is the thing. And Lewis Hamilton has been very vocal about the talent of Lando Norris. He has gone onto the radio to say that Lando is a very good driver, and we know he's a very good driver. But seeing him in a position of winning a championship from Max Verstappen and that Red Bull, winning constructors and drivers together in a McLaren after so many years, that feeling must have been ecstatic. But he could not,
Converted.
do a lot about it. I think the pressure got to him. I mean, it was always going to be difficult fighting with Max Verstappen for that championship because it is Max Verstappen that you are fighting with. He's ruthless, he's aggressive, and he's defensive. All of us know that. All of us have seen that. So he had the fastest car since the longest of time, and he hasn't been able to capitalize on the entire momentum. That disappoints me a lot, very, very
I
much.
think it's also karmic justice क्योंकि उसने लुइस को काफी shit दी है काफी बार saying कि oh you
बोली
are the
बोली
fastest.
Lewis fan मौका ढूंढती बोली Lewis fan.
So Max, if I liked a driver in the start of the season or since like last 2 years was Lando. तो जब Lando जीत रहा था races, I was honestly happy because like दिल से मुझे पता था end में Max ही जीतने वाला championship, but I knew that at least Lando is fighting it out and two of my favorite drivers are fighting it out. It's fun and F1 is back, it's not dominating anymore and all. But I think the time Lando's attitude towards the whole championship and like that, statements that he gave and the way he was, that I deserve it kind of a thing. Just his attitude was so negative that I was just like, in this place, if there was Charles Leclerc or Sainz or even Oscar, they would have not behaved the way Lando has taken the championship high on his head. And I think with those things, I started getting very icky about Lando, the way he was handling his championship high. And I was
Right.
like, bro, even if you're driving well, there has to be some kind of class in you, which
Yeah.
I think, even when Lewis and Max were fighting championship, both of them were pretty aggressive, but they were also respectful in their own ways.
Right.
They were not
Yes.
making personal remarks or saying, stuff which was very offensive.
But coming to Lando, see, I have a completely different opinion to this. कि I personally feel कि तो starting में 4-5 races में ना Max ने इतनी खतरनाक lead बना ली थी कि the championship was kind of finished.
Yeah.
ना उतना बड़ा lead cover up करना मुश्किल होता है. And it's not that कि Red Bull have the 10th fastest car now. है ना? Even after that big lead, like Red Bull had the 3rd or the 4th fastest. And with Max वो factor like top 5 तक चला जाता है.
Right.
है ना? So उसमें तो किसी को doubt नहीं है. Max का as a driver, he is a bit too good for any kind of car, right? So I think जब तक Lando और McLaren को realize हुआ कि अब उनके पास सबसे बढ़िया कार आ गई है, तब तक probably the championship was over. ठीक है? तो now they had to कि उनको properly they were waiting for Max के DNF या फिर Max out of top 10 and Lando winning. वो हो ही नहीं रहा था on a regular basis.
Absolutely.
तो McLaren को बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर था and Max had less to lose. So जब भी ये battles हो रही थी Lando के साथ, Max had less to lose and like Lando had everything to lose. For Lando it is slightly wrong कि did he not do good enough? Yes, he kind of fumbled at few races and obviously that turn one thing like has been haunting him. But I still feel कि he can't say कि I still don't consider him as a championship contender only because उसको पता ही नहीं चला कि क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ. आगे टाइम को यार McLaren को ही देख लो ना, उन्होंने papaya rules जब पहले तो लागू नहीं किए थे.
नहीं.
उस टाइम तो Oscar was ahead of him ना. The time they realized कि भाई अच्छा papaya rules से हम लोग Lando को जिताएंगे. and then they recently they gave statements
McLaren
कि
का भी fault है,
हम
that
तो
is true.
हमेशा से कंस्ट्रक्टर्स कर रहे थे
कर रहे थे।
Lando was not prepared to fight for the
ऐसा
title.
ऐसा कुछ फॉर्मल क्वेश्चन तो मेरे पास भी नहीं है. So imagine you were Santa Claus and you are given the F1 department for gifting and you have to get 2 gifts for 2 drivers. Which driver and what gift would you get?
मिर्ची पाउडर फॉर मैक्स वर्स्टैपन.
मतलब उसके कान में डालने का, उसकी आंख में डालने का, कि you want him to put it in other people's eyes?
नो सेकंड तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
So you want to put it in his eyes?
तो फर्स्ट में थोड़ा सा स्कोप दिखा.
नहीं थोड़ा सा scope, मैंने आईज वाइज नहीं बोला, बट इफ तान्या सेज सो आई रिस्पेक्ट माय गेस्ट, so ठीक है, ओके, आई एग्री विद तान्या.
I think Max Verstappen को मिर्ची पाउडर की जरूरत नहीं है. His tongue is more than enough mirchi.
Spicy, yeah.
Yeah, the kind of shit he gives FI is top notch.
टेप देना चाहूंगा हेलमेट मार्को को ताकि वो
हाँ, मुंह पे लगा रखे
और
Good
चुप
answer.
रहे. मतलब अंकल बहुत ज्यादा बोलते थे और हमें कंफ्यूज करते हैं. हर दिन नई र्यूमर आ जाती है उनके चक्कर में. हम कल कोला पिंटो को देख रहे हैं, नहीं चेको तो हमारा है, नहीं रिकार्डो तो जा रहा है. मतलब उनके चक्कर में बहुत कलेश होते हैं. तो यार, और ड्राइवर आई थिंक मैं नींबू मिर्ची देना चाहूंगा अभी के लिए तो लैंडो को की नजर, बिकॉज आई थिंक पूरी दुनिया इस टाइम लैंडो पे एकदम टूट पड़ी है. सो आई वुड से कि नींबू मिर्ची एकदम लैंडो, ताकि थोड़ा बंदा रिलैक्स रहे.
बट इट प्रिवेंट्स नजर ना, जो लग चुकी है उसका क्या होगा?
अरे यार हम
आने वाली नजर रोक लेगा भाई वो.
आने वाली नजर लगी ही जा रही है बेचारे को. तो
बेचारा अगले सीजन तक पपाया नहीं रहेगा, सफेद पड़ जाएगा.
भाई I'll give Nemo Messi to Lewis also वैसे यार, because Lewis has had a tough
Lately.
season and I really want him to do well in Ferrari. बस like आज मैंने prediction भी की थी कि either 25 या 26 इन दो में से एक सीजन में Lewis will be like a main title
Contender.
Like, if I'm Santa Claus, so I can do whatever now. So I would
Absolutely.
like a top team just for Sainz and Ricardo.
That's a good answer.
Because I really want Sainz to be in a top team. I mean, like, he's a good driver. I don't know how Williams is going to be as a team in general. So I would love to see him as a contender, and I just miss Honey Badger for the kind of vibe he had. So yeah. I would give a top team to them.
Given a nice answer. मैं और रोहन we more of Grinch more than Santa Claus. दोनों गिफ्ट्स दे रहे हैं.
हाँ मतलब अच्छा सेंटा क्लॉज के पावर्स को यूज भी करना था क्या? आई एक्चुअली गिव अ पोडियम टू निको हल्केनबर्ग यार. आई फील कि ही डिजर्व्स इट. आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग जो काफी फैंस लाइक दे हैव बीन विशिंग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम.
If I had to give a gift here, I would give the Indian Grand Prix back in F1.
This was a question जो मैं पूछना ही भूल गई guys.
तो अभी पूछ लो.
But like किस सर्किट से या किस ट्रैक से will you replace Indian Grand Prix?
Monaco. Not even thinking twice.
No,
It's going
I
to be
would not
Monaco.
want to replace Monaco. I think Monaco is a very interesting track for drivers in terms of like racing and
मजा
sure
तो
overtake
drivers
नहीं
को
होता and
आता है
everything, but
इसमें.
like physically and as a challenge, it's a very very difficult drive.
Absolutely. See, it's only, I think for Monaco, for things to work in Monaco, it needs rain. It specifically needs rain. Because other than rain, it does not work. It's only qualifying that works here.
But I think all
And
मजा is only for drivers. देखने वालों को तो नींद वगैरह
सी
सभी
मोनाको हर साल में अपनी वो एक रील यूज करने वाला मोनाको के टाइम तो प्लीज चलने दो मोनाको हमारा चलता रहे. तो मोनाको को मत हटाओ.
but I just have one more question. It's very simple. If budget was not a constraint for you, right, and traveling wasn't, which would be your favorite destination to watch Formula 1 Grand Prix live, and who would you want to win in that Grand Prix?
Silverstone. और
Okay,
Of course.
Silverstone and Wimbledon.
Lewis, yeah. I want to watch Spa.
Hmm.
Spa and obviously Max winning it.
I would want to watch Monaco for the glamour, and I think I would want to watch Qatar, which is
ठीक है. एक सपना तो पूरा हो ही रहा है तो बोल ही दो कि
बराबर है.
सपना था.
नींद की जरूरत ही नहीं है ये सपने के लिए, बस ग्रिड मास्टर की है. But I think I would want to go for Monza with a Ferrari win and that to Lewis Hamilton. मजा आ
even
जाएगा.
I would want to see a
Yeah,
Monza
yeah.
Ferrari.
Actually,
Yeah.
Hamilton winning in Monza.
Bhayankar with a Ferrari. It would be
Yeah.
crazy.
I would
Let's
have-
manifest. Yes.
I think everyone would like it on this, like in this panel.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
अनमोल तो
Even I would
obviously.
want to see. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that is it from my end. So thank you guys for being here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
It was a really fun chat. Sorry तान्या हमने चेको को इतनी हेट दी. Not sorry मैक्स को इतनी हेट देने के लिए. But okay.
I feel he should get more hate because he likes that and he then
Yeah.
claims onto the
Yeah.
Twitter and shuts all of them.
जो
Yeah,
बचपन
that's-
से
तो मजा आ जाता है.
ने ग्रूमिंग की है ना, ऐसे अब्यूजिव बिहेवियर को प्यार समझने की, वो आई थिंक अभी भी चल ही
Yeah.
रहा है.
ये टॉक्सिक है, ये प्यार है मेरे लिए.
So I think with that we come to an end of this discussion.